What's going on, friends? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now, normally when I go out and I make a video, I've got a plan, I know what I'm doing, there's something specific that's going on, and that's kind of the case today. I'm going to be going out, meeting up with a videographer, and also meeting up with my buddy Richard, who's got the GT500, and we're going to be making a video. However, the videographer is going to be shooting all the stuff to make the video, and I'm going to be shooting more of like the behind the scenes, and I thought it would be kind of cool to bring you guys along with me so that way you can see everything that kind of goes into making a video. So we're going to do like a short, probably like 1 or 2 minute video to post on social media. We might make like 1 or 2 TikTok videos or something like that. I'm not 100% sure, but I figured I would take you guys with me, and I think this is going to be a lot of fun. So let's hop in the GTR and let's get going. So one thing I'm working on with the GTR really quick is this new tune that I have on Ecutech. I don't know if you can hear, but listen to the car for a second. Take a quick listen. Do you hear how it sounds a little bit gurgly? Like you hear like da 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 da, but then over here you kind of hear like, I don't know, little like pops or something, almost as if the car is running slightly rich. So I'm also working on fine-tuning the tune on this car, so that's something that's going to be coming here in the near future, because I got to get that dialed in. It's using way too much gas. Like normally I would use a 1/4 tank of gas getting from my house to work, but now I use like 3/8 of a tank of gas just in one day going to and from work, and that's way too much. So hopefully I can get that dialed in a little bit better. So generally one of the first things that I like to do before I go do any photo shoot or any type of video shoot or whatever is get a car wash. It makes a huge difference. The car always looks 100 times better because there's no fingerprints, there's no dust, there's no nothing. So I absolutely recommend getting your car washed before any shoot. One thing that I should point out about car washes is I always go to the touchless car washes, because I don't know if you guys remember or if you've been following me from a long time ago, from when I took my Scat Pack through a car wash and the car wash ripped off my spoiler somehow. Like the thing spinning around somehow got stuck around the spoiler of the Scat Pack and ripped it off, bent the truck, whole thing. Go back and watch that video on my YouTube channel. But anyway, so now I just go to these touchless car washes, and I only go to these ones when I'm in like a little bit of a hurry. So no automated car washes, only hand washing. It's gonna be the best thing for your car. But out of nowhere, my buddy Richard, he's got the GT500 beadlocks with the Mickey Thompsons. You can't even see that because the lighting sucks. How much is this thing pushing right now?
Like 900.
Like what?
900.
A GT900? Damn, dude. This lighting is horrible. But your car looks awesome. I mean, just look at that with the red. It's amazing. All right, here we've got the golden liquid horsepower going into this bad boy. So I know that wasn't the loudest startup for a GT500, but I swear to God, when he is at like wide open throttle, that car is one of the loudest cars I've ever heard in my life. All right, so here we are at our undisclosed secret location. Richard's very interested in his phone. Just kidding. Here we have our videographer. What's up, man? I'm Jeff.
Nice to meet you. I'm Chris.
Good to meet you, Chris. We got a dope little setup going on here. Gimbal action. Drone action. All right, here's some behind the scenes. We got the drone. DJI Mini. We got the cars. GTR, obviously. GT500. All right, so we're getting super high tech here. We got a mic. Follow the cable, follow the cable. To a little wireless thing right here. The wireless thing is going to the camera. I don't know if you guys can hear me over this 500. It's ridiculously loud. Okay, so we got the mic over there. It's going wirelessly over to the camera. That's a pretty sweet setup. And now we are getting ready to do some rollers. I think these rollers are going to be super awesome because we've got the gimbal, so they're going to be like nice and smooth. And I can't wait to show you guys. So I don't know if you guys could hear that or if you guys can tell, but the GTR is not really sounding right. I've been having some minor issues with the tune, just where the RPMs aren't moving as fast as they normally are. So I just sent a video clip and a data log to my tuner for him to review. I definitely want to get the GTR dialed in ASAP because I am hosting a drag racing event on September 23rd, and so I need the car to be dialed in. It was dialed in the last video I posted at the Sacramento Raceway Race Wars drag event, but for whatever reason, it's just not happy. Excuse me, there's something with my car, it's just not happy, so I'm trying to figure it out, trying to see what's going on. I might try uninstalling the tune and then reinstalling the tune, but also in the meantime, like I said before, I did send a video and I sent a data log to my tuner, so we will see what he says. I'll keep you guys updated. Now back to these rollers. You see him in there in the trunk, getting these shots for these rollers? That's how you do it. That's how you get these shots. Here we are at our next undisclosed location, and what we're about to do is I get to drive the Corolla, and we're gonna take some rollers of Richard's GT500, but he just drove off somewhere. I don't know what the hell he's doing. Ready when we are? All right. I guess you gotta hop in.
Hop in. No, you gotta hop in.
I know, but you gotta hop in. Right in the Toyota Corolla. There we go. All right, are you ready? You're in? All right, let's go. Woo! I gotta remember that this isn't a race car and that there's a person in the trunk. I had never really noticed, but GT500s look pretty aggressive in the front. I kind of like it. I'd never get one, but I'd like how it looks for you. Here we go. Some nice handheld side-by-side. Woo! Woo! That thing is loud. Hey, you know what I noticed? So I was messing with my card a little bit more. I had a code. I had an engine 3 misfire code. That's why it's not. So my car might be in limp mode too.
Huh.
It's weird.
It's hot as today, so.
I've been having a cylinder 3 misfire for a while now.
Have you done your spark plugs? You're at 30,000.
I actually did recently do them, yeah. I know this is a lot of back and forth, but that's generally just how it goes when you're taking these. You gotta just drive around, take the shots, do the thing, and so now we're gonna do this spot, the same spot we were just doing Richard's car. For my car, we're gonna drive around and get some more shots, and once this is all done, I'm gonna put the final edited version of these rollers and this whole video that we're doing at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. It's coming up in just a couple minutes. Now that we've got all those shots done, we are gonna work on doing a trending TikTok video. If you guys follow me on Instagram or TikTok, I already posted it and it did really well. So now we're gonna do another version of it. So this is gonna be the behind the scenes footage on how to make that video. There we go, there we go.
I'll just angle it to you so the camera can see it, but I can't.
Me hella surprised, okay, when I say, go. That was perfect.
They call me an actor.
Yeah.
No, just say come through.
Okay, go ahead. Run up to your car, open the door, get in the car and close the door, okay? Like, with a lot of enthusiasm, okay? Like, extra enthusiasm. Okay, go. All right, perfect. Perfect, that was so enthusiastic. We gotta get a clip of me running to my car also.
Getting in it. You wanna just do that right here?
Yeah, so do the same thing here. Take a shot. Here, do it from my phone so you don't have to airdrop it. Am I in frame? I want to be out of the frame and then run into the frame.
Yeah, you're out.
Okay, so let me know when
You
you're
ready?
recording.
All right, go.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Did it look like hella dorky?
No, it looks fine.
It should be like pretty like over exaggerated and yeah, that's pretty dumb looking. Okay, great. I basically just need to, we need to film, so I'm gonna back up and then I'm gonna be pulling my car in right next to yours. I need you to film me pulling the car in right next to yours. Now you gotta record me from like right here, from like this, opening the trunk, and that's it. Okay. Okay, that's it. Then come over here, like that. Okay. Okay. I gotta take like a video.
You don't have you have to turn it on, right?
Yeah, I can turn it on. money. Turn your phone upside down. Okay, is it recording?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so that was that. So now we basically have everything. Now we just need to film going around the cars, and that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's like the behind the scenes footage of like, you know, rollers, car videos, TikTok videos, and you know, it helps to have people around who can help. You know, sometimes I try to do these videos on my own and it's like damn near impossible because I just don't have enough hands. So, you know, get some friends who are car people or whatever type of video you're trying to do and just have fun. That's it. All right, so now, are you recording? Okay, so now we're gonna give our buddy over here a ride who said he's been in Lambos, Ferraris, all sorts of cars, but he's never been in a GTR. So he's gonna hop in. Keep in mind, my car is like misfiring, but we'll do it anyways. We'll do it anyways.
Let's go.
Here we go with the GT500. And guys, that's the thing, like, don't forget, like, if you have like a nice fast car, like, be sure you let people ride in it, because honestly, like, otherwise, what's the point? Like, okay, yeah, you can be faster than your friends or whatever, but at the end of the day, like, put a smile on someone's face, give them a ride in your car. Like, did you see his face? He was like, that's totally different than a Lamborghini. I mean, think about it. My car costs like a third of the price of a Lambo, and he said it felt totally different, and I'm assuming he means totally different in a better, faster way. And my car is like running like crap right now, so yeah. I hope that that loudness comes across to you guys, because that was insanely loud.
This thing is crazy.
What was your reaction?
I'm trying to park.
Let's say I got it on video.
You got it on video? Hey,
Yeah.
send me that, okay?
Okay.
But there you have it, guys. That is pretty much it. That was the day. That's what we came to do, and we did it. So I think at this point, it's time to end the video. So everybody, with all that being said, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you guys are enjoying my content, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're feeling extra awesome, hit that notifications bell. But with all that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.